All right, so welcome to the International Pier here in Cozumel, Mexico. Now, this is where Royal Caribbean docks. So we're going to do a tour through the cruise port today. Start off here on the pier. Got just a little bit of a walk before you can get to the cruise port over there. We have the Carnival Ecstasy in port with us today. So far, she's the only other ship that is here. All right, so we got to go through the security section here where they let the dog smell your bag. Good morning. Thank you. All right, so that's just to make sure you're not bringing anything you're not supposed to into the country. All right, so we have Margaritaville here on the right when you first come in. All right, so we'll start over here on the right. Got your Cozumel sign, or Margarita Cozumel sign. You have all of your shops, jewelry shops. You have your drugstore. More jewelry shops, more clothing shops. Now, when you're here in the cruise port, they're going to ask you to come in their shop, come in their shop, come in their shop, take a look at their things. Like, if you don't want to go in and you're not interested, just a polite thank you is all you need, and keep on walking. Got no tequila shots at 8 o'clock in the morning. So you have shops on both sides, and there's shops all down throughout the middle. So right now we're just walking around the outside edge. And they have little indoor mall areas up through here. And more on this side over there. Said if you need hats, shirts, vanilla, tequila, they have it all. Good morning.
Tequila, sir?
Oh, no, thank you. Too early for tequila.
Wake up like a Mexican.
Good morning, ma'am. We're gonna try my creme brulee tequila. I got that peanut. You can take a tattoo. You can take a shot.
Of course, you have your Senor Frogs, the second place to eat. Then you have our ship. You see that's right there. So the cruise port, just not too far of a walk from the ship over here to the terminal. Alright, now we're going to go up through a little bit of the middle and kind of work our way back. So you can see there the International Cruise Terminal Cozumel. We'll work our way back up through here. All right, and that is a walking tour through the Cozumel International Cruise Port. I said mostly just a bunch of shops, but if you want to shop, get tequila, get leather, get t-shirts, get hats, any of those kinds of souvenirs, you can definitely get all of that right here. I said they're gonna ask you to come in there. They're gonna, come in my shop, come in my shop, come in my shop. Like I said, just a polite no thank you. I'm sure you guys saw them, heard them in the video. Just let them know, no thank you, keep on walking, and you'll be all good. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this tour of the Cozumel International Cruise Port. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.